This is Danica, and in this video, we're gonna talk about BodyBoss. So in the past videos, I have created a series of tutorials for Memberium setup alone. It was using the Elementor and the Jet Engine plugin. If you have missed that, I highly suggest you check that out because that was a plain website. So it focuses on how you could use Memberium alone without additional add-ons. So check that out if you have missed it. It's named Memberium 101. So in this series, we will talk about BodyBoss because it's one of the popular plugins out there in setting up this kind of membership site, especially with LearnDash and of course with Memberium. So I'm gonna walk you through the basics, how it's set up, what's the use of LearnDash, what's the use of Memberium, how you could take advantage with this combination. Now, do note that you could run just BodyBoss and let's just say LearnDash alone, but I'm going to integrate Memberium in this setup because I want to show you what sort of automation you could trigger when someone complete your course and LearnDash, because LearnDash and Memberium talk or work with each other very well. So I'd like to highlight that. Now to get started, bodyboss.com, you could check out their website, and in here, I'm in the website now, so let me just move to the side. Okay, so here you could see that this is their website and they're selling membership courses and build online communities. And of course, it works with WordPress. Now, you could check out this demo link. If you click that, they will give you some environment here or creating a sandbox where you could test out how BodyBoss exactly works. So you could check that. There's some examples of groups, forum, how the messaging works, notification, and of course, this could work with WooCommerce, so you could have a cart. And then for their pricing, if we check their buy now page right now, one site costs 228 USD billed annually. You could also get the 5 sites license and of course up to 10 sites license if you need that much. So after you have signed up with BodyBoss, you need to install some plugins and themes. So once you have purchased your license, you will get this BodyBoss theme, BodyBoss child theme, the platform, and then the platform pro. So you need to download each of this. So this goes in the theme. So example, under appearance, themes, you install the two here. The first thing that you need to install is this BodyBoss theme. And then after that, you could install the child theme and then activate that. It's important that you use the child theme so that, example, you have some customization in it. Whenever there's a new version released for BodyBoss, your customization won't get overridden because you're using the child theme. So if you need to do customization, then of course you need to apply that in your child theme and not in the parent theme. This two, BodyBoss and BodyBoss Platform and BodyBoss Platform Pro, that goes in the plugins, so you need to install that here. And of course, you need to set up your license so that you get updated. So to get your license, you need to go to subscription, and under that there's a themes and plugins. Example for this one, you could see that this is the key and when is gonna expire and when you need to renew that. You could also see the website that is attached to that license. So if you have 5 site license, you will see all of that link here. So after you've installed BodyBoss Platform and BodyBoss Platform Pro, you will see that in your plugin list, You can then access this BodyBoss on the backend, and you will see there's different options here regarding BodyBoss theme and its functionality. Now, if you have used BodyPress before, this is like similar. It just looks better and have some advanced functionality than the original BodyPress, but you'll get familiar very easily if you've used that. So there's a profiles, groups, forum, activities, invites, email, notices, and moderation. So you could access that here. And then theme option is in here. And of course, you need to, for your license, you need to get to the license keys. So in terms of design, you could edit everything in here under theme options. So from the logo, header, body panel, sidebars, typography, and styling. And then when you're ready to save your changes, you need to make sure you click this Save Changes button. So this is just a very plain one right now. So after you install, it's gonna look exactly like this. You're gonna not see this kind of layout, but we're gonna slowly build this so that I could demonstrate this to you. Next is the LearnDash. So in the LearnDash, you need to get your license here. And the current pricing right now, the time of this recording is this is the plus. So this is up to 10 sites. And there's also the basic, which is only for one website. And of course, the pro package for up to 25 sites. The plus in the pro package has some pro panel reporting. So it's an add-on that you will get so that you could see some reporting on your dashboard. But if you're just starting out, the basic should be enough for you. After you install LearnDash as a plugin, so you need to go to the plugins and then add new, you will then see this LearnDash LMS on the sidebar. So here, you will see there's some courses, lessons, topics. But of course, if your like program does not work in this hierarchy, you could edit this label under settings. And then advanced, there's some custom labels. So example, if you need to change the courses, you need to enter your label here and then save your changes once you are complete. You could also rename some buttons like mark complete buttons, click here to continue, and so on. You will see everything that's in here after or like once we have start setting this up. So make sure you install your LearnDash. And then lastly, I'm going to install Memberium in this setup as well. I hope you have like watched my previous video for how to install Memberium. I'm not gonna show that here, but of course it's exactly the same. You need to have your plugins installed and you need to connect it to your Keep or Active Campaign account. In my demonstration, I'm going to use Active Campaign, but the process should be like exactly the same. So there should be a Memberium here later. So I'm very excited to start this series with you. Stay tuned for my next video where we set up this demo look. I will walk you through how to exactly do that. I will also show you different sections with BodyBoss. And then of course with LearnDash, how it looks when it is when you're using LearnDash with BodyBoss, and of course how it looks when you're using LearnDash with Memberium. We're gonna cover all of that today. So I'll see you in my next video. And again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.